video tutorial will provide you with help to remove fake Windows support notifications that quote this fake Windows support number. The number is +1 844 516 2125. This is a number not related to Windows or Microsoft, so if you ever see these pop-ups, remember not to interact with them. These pop-ups are fake and obviously deceptive, so don't trust what they tell you. Don't call this fake Windows support number. In fact, such pop-ups could be the consequence of certain adware enabled on the device. So the only correct conclusion is to leave this page right away. I also recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start investigating your device. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other infections which could possibly still remain stealthily on your Windows computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.